Problem 122, we are taking a look at this polynomial. It's in factored form right now. And trying to figure out, without actually doing any multiplying, figure out which one of these in standard form it actually is. So there are a couple pieces of information here, first of all, I want to take a look at. One of them is that we're dealing with a third-degree polynomial. And all of these answers here are third-degree polynomials. However, the fact that when I look at multiplying all of these together, x times x times x, I will get x cubed. So these options here no longer work because I will not get a 2x cubed, I will only get an x cubed. So these are no longer options for us. So now my only options are A and C. So the other thing I'm going to consider here is when we look at these polynomials, this last number is our y-intercept. Because when I put 0 in for x, it equals that number. So if I would put 0 in for all of these x's, I'm going to essentially be multiplying negative 2 times 3 times negative 5. So negative 2 times 3 times negative 5 is going to give me positive 30. So it is not that option. It's going to be option C.